Hey, welcome back, Intermediate Algebra. So now we are doing cubed roots. First of all, when we did square roots, when you find the length of a square, you might realize that you do base times height, and knowing that squares are always the same size around, its base and length are also going to be equal. So it's one side times another side, or two numbers that create that square. And that's why it took two numbers, two perfect squares, or two identical squares that created the actual square root. So now we're talking about cubed roots. And cubed roots are a three-dimensional thing where you have a base, a length, and a height to find them. And in order to find a cubed root, you need three identical. So, and that's why they put in this problem, you'll see a little 3 right there or a little 3 right here. That means that it takes three identical numbers to create a real number. Okay, so same type thing as it was in square roots, only you got to think to yourself, what times what times what, all being identical equals that number. So as we look at this number, 1,728, I just started thinking, I knew that 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000, so it had to be bigger than 10. So I started playing around until I figured it out, and I realized that 12 times 12 times 12 equals 1,728. So I've got a square root of 12, another square root of 12, and another one. That's three square roots of 12, which equals one real 12 when it comes to cube roots. So our answer is just 12. So again, what are three identical numbers that multiply to make 343? So I start playing around with it, and I figure out, oh, it's 7 times 7 times 7 equals 343. So since I've got three sevens and it's a cubed root, then my answer is simply 7. And that's all there is to it, guys. Not too difficult. Have a great day. Bye-bye.